Welcome back, everyone. This morning we're talking about weight loss. It's something that a lot of people want to tackle. Sometimes you just don't know where to start. You don't know the best plan that can work for your lifestyle. So here to help us with one option, Dr. Drake.
It's different. It's weight loss, but it's way more than just weight loss. It's really about a person's health, to get to the root issues of a person's health challenges, their weight challenges, so that we can find out specifically what they need in order to lose weight the correct way, the healthy way, and it allows them to keep the weight off as well.
Okay.
So we can customize this for the individual based on their specific needs. It's not your typical cookie cutter approach like we see, which I mean, that just doesn't make sense to me. So this is designed for the person.
It sounds like it requires some consultation.
It does.
You meet with somebody and they tell you, give you a direction. Sometimes we're completely left without one.
Right. I mean, we sit down, we spend some time with them, getting their history, find out where they've been, what they've done, their experiences, what their challenges are, what their health issues are, their current health issues, maybe even some of their past issues. And we take this information, which allows us to give them essentially a blueprint to follow, where again it's designed for them to help them lose weight, but also to regain their health. And the health is a key aspect of that as well.
So you would maybe say that this is kind of a lifestyle change,
Can
rather
be,
than
yeah,
just a
absolutely.
diet.
Yeah.
Okay, so for someone who's watching and some people might be a little skeptical. There are so many things out there. There are so many different products that you can buy from vendors or individual sellers or marketing campaigns and things like that. And a lot of times just doesn't seem to work for people. So what makes this different?
Well, I mean, there are a lot of things out there,
Yeah.
and obviously they don't work. I mean, there's so many of them. And not only that, we continue to have health issues, or weight issues, I should say, in this country that just keeps going and going and going.
Yeah.
But again, what makes this unique is the fact that we can customize it. It's individualized, as opposed to going online or, some of the many other diets that we see out there.
Yeah.
This isn't about eating meals out of a box. It's not about meal replacements with shakes. This is about eating real food, real good healthy food that you get at the grocery store. It's about getting healthy.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not is it a supplement, or in very simple terms?
It's determining what your needs are so that we can provide you with those needs. There may be some nutritional aspects that are necessary, but we can also provide you with a specific food list that matches up to you based on what your needs are.
Wow,
Okay.
we're seeing some pictures right now of some folks in Wichita or the Wichita area. I guess as we see some before and afters, we approach that with some skepticism as, well, that could never be me. So how do you get that into someone's mindset that this can work, actually? And if they do start to want to waver, how do you keep them back on track?
Well, those are good questions, because people are skeptical because of what's out there.
Yeah.
And most people that we've seen have done, many other diets, but they come to us and get information as to what makes us different, so that we can provide them with the answers that they have,
Right.
based on the individual. Everybody's a little bit different. Everybody's needs are different. A lot of these people that we see, they want to lose weight, but they also have some significant health issues that they're dealing with that can be part of the problem. And so, again, that goes back to individualizing this to help them lose weight, regain their health. I mean, imagine them transforming their lives, whereas the weight loss is one thing, but feeling better, having more energy, being able to play with your kids, it goes beyond just weight loss.
Yeah,
Sure.
that
Okay.
must be a great feeling for you guys.
Yeah, exactly, to help people accomplish that. So walk us through what this is like. If we want to take part in this, how do we get started? Walk us through what this process is.
First of all, you got to give us a call. I don't know if our number's up there, but we get some information, some preliminary information. We do a body comp analysis, which is information on the individual to find out what their weight is, their body mass index is, their fat mass is, their metabolism. So we get some baseline information to see where they are. And then we use that throughout the program to monitor them to make sure that they're losing weight in the correct way. I mean, there's bad ways to lose weight and there's good ways to lose weight. It's not just the number on the scale that we're looking at. We're looking at various other aspects.
Right.
So we do that initially, explain the program to see if it's a good fit for them.
Yeah. And to have that expertise available to you also just probably keeps you accountable. You know, that's probably my biggest problem is I just don't really have that.
Right. I mean,
element to keep me accountable.
accountability is a big deal.
Right.
And, you know, we have our patients, our clients come in on a weekly basis to meet with one of the staff, one of the coaches, to review their previous week as to how they're doing, if they, you know, got any issues that we need to deal with, if we need to tweak their particular program, which we're able to do. Again, it's customized. So if they are having some difficulties or what have you, we can make those necessary changes to help them out.
Sounds like going to the doctor's office for weight or something.
Yeah, well, it sounds like you have someone along with you the entire journey to
do.
walk with you. So very nice. So Dr. Drake, we appreciate you coming on, sharing this with us.